Hello, amazing family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello, guys. Today I'm going to be sharing with us how to brighten our yellow teeth. How to brighten our teeth. Our first ingredient here is carrots. The next thing we are going to be using here is lemon. Then we are going to be using turmeric powder and Colgate. So the first thing we are going to be doing here, let me just weigh this thing. The carrot, so I'm going to be grating the carrot as well. We are going to be using the carrot juice and this remedy. Done. I'm grating the carrots. I'm using the smaller parts of the grater to grate the carrots. Exactly what we want. Here's our blended carrots. Now we are going to be using the carrot juice. So now I'm going to sip first to get the carrot juice. Here's our carrot juice. The next thing we are going to be using adding our lemon. One spoon. Two spoons of lemon. Going to mix very well. Then the next thing we are going to use is turmeric powder. The last but not the least, we are going to be adding our Colgate toothpaste. Exactly what we need. Mix it very well. This is what is going to give us the magic. It's effective. From the first use, you start to see the results. This is exactly what we want. This remedy is effective. This is it. It's effective. Try it at home. Method of using it: put it on your brush, use it. Use it. It's effective. Try it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your thumbs up. Thank you for your support. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and join this beautiful family. Press that notification button. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.